Dear students of class 1, I am Mrs. Neha Makkar and in this video we are going to study about the sliding objects and the rolling objects in our subject maths. The lesson is shapes and patterns. Now students, first of all we need to understand which objects slide and which objects or things roll. So the objects or things which have a flat surface, they slide, and the objects or things which have a round surface, they roll. Now students, let us study this with a few examples. Now students, as you can see, the cube, the cylinder, the shell, the sphere, they all are, some are sliding here and some are rolling here. So since the cube has a flat surface, it slides. The cylinder, the shell, the ball, these all things, they have a round surface. So they roll. So what we have studied up till now, that the objects which have the flat surface like the cube, they slide, and those objects which have a round surface like the cylinder, the sphere, the shell, they roll. Now students, as you can see in this picture, this box or this cube is having a flat surface. So that is why it is sliding on this slide. In the same way, like when you go to your park or garden and you also slide in the same manner because you are also having a flat surface of your back on which you slide. Now students, let us study about a few objects which are round and they roll. Like for example, a lemon that with which you make lemon juice, it is also having a round surface. That is why it will also roll down. Now students, many round fruits such as the apple, oranges, they also roll. Why children? Because they have a round surface. As you can see the pencil children, it is also having a round surface. So the pencil is also rolling on the floor. The ball, any kind of ball children, whether it be the basketball, whether it be the football, or it is the tennis ball, or with the ball which we play cricket. So all types of balls, lemons, fruits like apple, oranges, they all are children example of sphere. So sphere, that is a sphere is a kind of a ball. It is having a round surface and that is why it rolls, and the objects which have a flat surface like the cube and the box, they slide. Thank you children.